Welcome to the program. Pastor William here again, this wonderful day that the Lord has made. You listen to Moments of Inspiration. Those of you who are joining us on the internet this morning, this is Pastor William here. It's a great time to be alive to share the good news of the living God. This moment I am in the island of Tagbilaran in the Philippines. And this morning I'm having a wonderful guest with me this morning, a pastor who has been serving the Lord for 43 years. So let's welcome Pastor Franco. Pastor Franco, please join me. Hallelujah. Good to see you, Pastor Franco. Yeah. So tell us a little bit more about yourself, Pastor Franco.
My name is Pastor Franco Frigo, but I was born in the province of Liti. I got married with a Filipina here in this province of Bohol, Tagbilaran City. So I am now pastoring here for 43 years.
Wow.
In the ministry.
Amazing. That's really good. Pastor, what is your experience in ministry here in Tagbilaran?
This province of Bohol is really a religious province. At first, we struggled with winning souls because they are really bound with religious spirit. But this time, the Lord has done great things because of the revivals. People are now set free from the work.
Praise the Lord. Thank you. We'll be right back just after this.